Hello guys, welcome to my lesson number 16. So in this video we are going to learn about complete WordPress setting. We have already learned a lots of things about in WordPress, like WordPress admin, how to install, what is database, how to configure with database. So if you still haven't watched that video, you must watch because most important video I have already shared with you. So in this lesson we are going to learn about complete WordPress settings. So let me log in my WordPress admin panel. Once you log in, you can see this is basically a WordPress complete dashboard. This is a dashboard where you can see upcoming event information, how you can create your page. Okay, you can set up your home page, ton of your website health, everything. If any updates, suppose your theme need to get updated and all these things, you can do on this update options. If you want to create post for your blogs, you can create. If you want to add some image videos, you can create with the help of media tab. If you want to create about us, contact us, any kind of page, you can create in page section. If someone commented you, so you can check there this comments option. If you want to upload new theme, you have to click on appearance. If you want to customize, okay, if you want to install new plugin, if you want to add anything, you can do on plugins option. In last video we have learned about how to create new user, admin, any kind of other like subscriber, author, editor. In tools you can see available tools. You can import, export WordPress website pages and other options. You can see website health option. Okay, if you have any personal data, you can export it. You can even erase personal data. Upcoming video you can learn one step by step all these things. For your information, you just should know only this. First of all, you have to work on settings. There are different kind of settings, suppose journal, writing, reading, discussion, media, permalink, and privacy. Coming video I'll give you step by step all this cover, all these thing cover, and you can learn more about deeply in all these thing. But for that, so these are the basically your WordPress setting. You must know how many WordPress of settings. Basic settings, like in journal, suppose let me see journal, what you can see in journal, what you can update in journal. You have a site title, tagline about your website, your website URL, administrator email ID. Okay, anyone can register. If you have a membership website, you just need to create here. So you can create a membership website. You can update your time zone, your location. You can see how it looks like your date and time format. Okay, which country you are, and it starts from Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, which week it starts. So this is a general setting. If you want to writing, in writing you can see default, what is your default post, what is your default format. Okay, blog editor, and there are two types of editor. We used to use classic editor, old WordPress, but nowadays it shows me a blog editor by default. So you have to click classical because it works very well, easy to understand, and we can switch anytime. Suppose user, you can switch to editor also. So you have an option. So you have a mail server, so you can configure with the mail server. Suppose you are using any third party email softwares, so you can configure with and just save that. In reading, coming video I'll give you how to you can reading. But suppose you have a blog, so latest blog post on your home page. If you want to display different home page for different users, so you can use these functions. If you don't want to like Google, if you have a knowledge about SEO, so you know the indexing and all these things. If you don't know, so in Yoast SEO section you will get a lots of information about the SEO, WordPress SEO. But right now enough for you. You just don't need to think about too much. So you can like discourage or encourage, it totally depends on you. So just save. And in discussion options, if you have a any information you want to see in your comments and all these things, you can see. If you have a avatar, okay, you can give it a avatar and other avatar also by default. Suppose you anyone comments on your website, so it shows you this kind of avatars. And In media you can give a, by default you have a thumbnail size itna, this one, media size, large size, so you can update according to your need. So all are the basically advanced, so you will learn a coming video. Just for your information I'm sharing. And permalinks, what is permalinks, in next few videos I'll be sharing about permalinks, so you will learn about more about permalinks. And the privacy, if you need a privacy you can create a privacy policy page, and other kind of page you can create for your use. So that's it. Hope you like this video, and you will definitely try and you will check all the setting I have shared with you. So I'll catch you in next video. Bye.